So it's time for you to learn how I do this little magic trick where I take this sign, click on it, hit build, and your classroom campfire situation shows up in the middle of the sandbox. Then I click it again, hit clean, and it all comes back to us. So we're going to work on that now. So I have these 4 objects down of different colors, and I've named them 12.5 Reser Box because that's what their first one is, and then 12.5 red, blue, and yellow. And I have them in specific positions. In each of the colored boxes, I'm going to put a script called component script. And you drag it into the content area, like that. And then in the Reser box, I have one called the base script. Now it's at this point that you say, click the black box and say record. And then you'll see all these little swirly things going on around, and that means you have recorded the position of these objects relevant to the Reser box. Then you take your colored objects, and they're going to show up under your objects window. And I only see 2 of them. Then you open up your Reser box and you pull those objects, 12.5 red and 12.5 yellow. And I can't see where blue went because it probably didn't load yet. And you load them into your Reser box. Then you click the Reser box and you say build. And those items that you recorded will come out and land exactly where you had them before. And then you say clean and they'll go back into the box. I chose to create a Reser box that looks like a piece of the campfire situation. And you just again say build, and all the items come popping out of the Reser box and set up the situation for yourself. So your assignment for 12.5 is to create this, use some kind of Reser box, make it copy mod, call it ETC SP10 12.5 and your name, and give the copy to me.